here we have a finished excavated area or for our cup, and you can see it's about 10 inches or so across. And don't worry about the irregularity. What happens is when you run a 3/4 inch rock and the fine's on top, again, you'll have some areas that come out uneven. It's not going to be perfectly round. That's okay. We're going to be able to backfill that in, and we definitely want it wider than our sleeve because we have to be able to have room to put more base material, but also to put some concrete down in and around the outside edges. Now, obviously, this sleeve is much longer, or basically deeper or taller than the hole, which is only about 3 to 4 inches down before we hit the weed fabric. So then we obviously will cut the weed fabric out, and then this will allow us then room to put the sleeve in, and we'll excavate the sleeve down and around, and then this will get filled with concrete around the outside edge. And this obviously will help prevent weeds from going up and around, but we can get down into the dirt level and get our sleeve to the correct height before we fill this back in.